Hello and welcome to the Extreme Weather Predictions weather blog. In this segment, or this video segment, we'll be talking about the upcoming potential for winter weather across the southern plains in areas from Oklahoma City to Tulsa, all the way up to St. Louis, and even points further north and east as we head through the next upcoming days. The potential for snow really has begun to come down from what it was. Yesterday we were actually forecasting some areas to pick up as much as 12 inches, especially where you see the 1 to 3 inch now. But it looks like temperatures really aren't going to cool off quite as much as what we had forecasted originally, with temperatures hovering right around 32 degrees if you recall yesterday in our blog segment. But temperatures now really going to hover right around 34, 35, even 36 degrees, which will keep a lot of the precipitation as liquid, not amounting to much snow. Now when it does snow, there is a possibility that we might see a dusting in a few areas across southern Oklahoma, all the way up into northeast Oklahoma, up towards St. Louis. But for the most part, this snow should melt quickly as it falls, not allowing too much of it to accumulate. And again, mainly just due to temperatures being in the mid-30s across most of this area. Now, the change in the forecast actually occurs because of the track of the low pressure. Now, we talked about this yesterday, that this far in advance that it's real hard to forecast the exact track that a low pressure system will take. And yesterday it appeared that the track was going to be across North Texas. But what we've actually come to find out is that now it appears that the track is going to go, instead of across North Texas like you see here, it's actually going to go about 40 to 50 miles further south, just to the south or even a little bit further south than Dallas. Now with the storm system taking a path like this, what it's done is it's made it to where the storm system is not able to grab as much cold air as what we originally thought. It's also taking the precipitation shield further to the south. The light pink line that you see really running from north of St. Louis down to Tulsa and Oklahoma City, or really south of Oklahoma City and Lawton, is actually going to be the northern edge of the precipitation, at least as it looks right now. Obviously, we've seen the path of this storm change a couple of times now, and it's possible that it could do it again between now and tomorrow, and we'll continue to monitor that threat. But with the storm system taking a path further south, it's going to make a lot more rain. It's also going a lot slower as it moves off to the south and east, so flooding really becomes more of a potential instead of an imposing winter storm. Some of the things that we're expecting: a large swath, a large area of 1 inch of rain, really from Dallas all the way up through St. Louis, southeastern Oklahoma, most of Arkansas will see quite a bit of rain. And then another area where 3 to 5 inches of rain is possible across North Texas, southeast Oklahoma, a good portion of Arkansas up into southeast Missouri, where we could have some training along the front that will be causing the cooler air, really not quite so cold, but temperatures behind that front in the 30s and 40s, and that will cause a large area of rain as that front stalls out and a slow-moving storm system moves over the area. Again, this is kind of what we're expecting right now: a lot more rain, a lot less snow, but we will continue to monitor the latest of this winter precipitation and let you know if anything changes as it moves across, again, the area really for most of the day on Monday. So we still have a couple of days until this system reaches the area, and we'll continue to monitor it and let you know if any changes may occur. Just check back with the Extreme Weather Predictions weather blog for the latest weather updates with this imposing winter storm.